very much.
Okay.
Yes,
You do one number then, all right? 21, 22, and 23 by one by
I
You have a smile off him for the camera by your luck? It's fun.
What Christmas dinner will you be having this year?
Yes.
And?
The vegetables when they come on Saturday.
Either tomorrow or Saturday.
Yeah.
And that's it?
Yes.
19, 20, 24. 19, 20, 24.
Suffer, innit? But they won't again this year. They'll be all right. Oh no.
How are you going to be managing for food?
I don't know. The food parcels we do every week. So it's not so bad. It's a good help, that is.
Christmas presents?
None.
None this year?
No. Oh, my little boy got a bike, but that's my mother and my mother-in-law's, and that's it. I haven't bought nothing. I've got nothing to give him anyway, to tell you the truth. They said they're lucky to have food now, aren't they?
You're determined to... How much money you got coming in?
£12 a week.
And Mrs. Heath, that's presumably not a lot to...
No,
How are you going to be managing?
I don't know. We don't really know. As long as we got a turkey and nice Christmas dinner.
Yeah, that's a bit.
And what about the kiddie this Christmas? Is he going to get his Christmas presents?
Well, we got a lot of family, you know, they're very helpful. Mothers and brothers and...
Whatever.
But presumably it's not going to be as good as last Christmas.
Oh,
Oh,
no.
no. No.
No way.
Are you prepared to keep struggling though?
Oh, aye. I'm out to the end.
Okay, well, that...
That's a lot. Oh, there's a bag down there, George. Somebody else.
To stick it out though?
Oh yeah, we stick it out to last. Definitely.
Well done.
We will, won't we? We suffered how long? 10 months now, so what the hell is another 10? So we'll stay.